back to. So today we're heading to church, and you know, obviously Ari and Artha have slept in because you know yesterday was Saturday weekend, and you know they stay up late, so they didn't get to come with us. But yeah, today we are going to church, like I said, and my mom's driving there, and yeah.
Yes guys, good morning. Happy Sunday guys.
Sunday.
Hindi sumama yung dalawa kasi groggy pa sila kanina. Nung pagbangon nila, sabi ko sige magpahinga na lang sila kasi busy yung the whole entire week nila last week. So sabi ko maglinis na lang sila ng bahay at saka maglinis sila ng kwarto ng ano nila, room nila. Hi guys. Pinagtatawanan ako ni Toltol. Ako eh.
Can we go to the mall first, please?
Sure, one second. Okay guys, kalalabas na namin ni Toltol sa simbahan. Nagsimba kami guys, so katatapos lang. So pinagtatawanan niya ako kasi nilalagay niya kasi kanina yung camera dito. So anyway guys, punta muna kami ni Toltol ng mall kasi papagupitan ko yung buhok niya kasi mahaba na. Sabi ko ako na sana gugupit, kaya lang init, tinatamad ako. So papagupitan ko siya, di ko alam, gusto ko rin magpagupit. Do you want me to cut my hair or no? What do you think?
My phone is how long it is.
I don't like my hair down because I don't know, I have a headache.
Yeah.
I mean like,
I like your hair up.
My hair
looks more than me.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying that, you know, my hair is really frizzy.
You should probably like, you know, like dye your hair like black so then all the white stuff is kind of gone.
If I don't ponytail it, then I feel like my head is so big with my poofy hair. Buhag-hag kasi guys yung buhok ko, hindi siya straight. So kung gusto mo talaga ng parang volume siya na maganda, kailangan mo siya lagyan ng product, tapos i-straighten mo, tapos i-blow dry mo, parang ganun, parang naka-treatment para gumanda talaga yung hair. So yun guys, dadaling ko muna siya sa mall at papagupitan, tapos mag-grocery kami konti kasi baka tamarin akong lumabas bukas, although lalabas talaga ako bukas dahil papayos ko nga yung salamin ni Tata. Ayan, Toltol.
Sir.
Yeah. So andito na kami guys sa mall. Layo ng pinarkingan namin kasi puno yung parking pag ganitong mga linggo, pag weekend maraming tao. So yeah, yep, nice shoes. Total it's getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah, every Sunday it's getting smaller and smaller.
Alright, sakay sana kami elevator kaya lang nakastuck. Ilang beses ako na-stuck dyan guys sa elevator na yan. Let's go. That's an Amazon thing if you can. Wait a second. You see, that's the Amazon thing if you order and then gusto mo lang ilagay lang siya sa yan. Bubuksan mo lang yung na yan. Let's go. Maniwala ka naman dyan. Maubos yung pera mo dyan sa hulog-hulog na yan.
Photo studio deluxe.
Yep. Alam mo guys, yung mall dito maliit compare sa Philippines. May ikot mo siya in less than 10 minutes. Hindi ka tulad sa Pilipinas, sasakit yung legs mo bago ka mahilo-hilo ka bago matapos maikot ba. So, saan gusto mo? Dito sa that one Ranky salon. But that's a salon though, Toltol. So, or this one. Or my barber. Wait. My barber shop dito. Ayun na lang kaya, barber shop na lang. Yan. Dito na lang kami pupunta kasi parang may yan doon. Dito na lang. Dito. Alright. Alright, let's go. Mukhang puno Alright guys, ito yung gusto ni Toltol. Ang ganito. Ewan ko lang Kaya yan. Yan, Toltol. Okay. Nagpagupit na siya. So, tingnan natin na lang mamaya kung anong gusto niya. Yan. Pogi ah. Ang ganda ng cut niya. Ayaw niya ng pa medyo manipis dito. Gusto niya ng ano pa. Mahaba-haba yung buhok niya. Can I see it, Toltol? Which one? This one?
No,
You want cheese?
can I get one of each? Or can I order it?
No, why don't you just get the big one?
Yeah, let's get the...
Right here, a half,
That one.
half. You
That
want this one?
Yes.
Okay, did you? Okay, for order. Alright, hold this. Nag-order kami guys ng pizza, pepperoni, and cheese. Ayan, Toltol. Kain tayo guys. You like it? Dalawang slice lang nakain niya. Busog na siya. So, dali niya sa mga kapatid niya. Ang laki kasi niyaan guys. $10. So guys, maraming tao yan pag ganitong linggo. Alright guys, dito kami sa Giant. Which one do you want?
We'll try more.
No, they're all the same, but I want to make sure that there's no...
I feel a bump on here.
Okay, right here. It looks, this one is good. Banana, Toltol. Let's go get some cheese and some ham for lunch.
One, the $9.99.
Yeah, the ham. Alright, tell the guy, okay? Ang taga-order natin, ayan. Some ham. And then the cheese. Which one do you want? American cheese? Alright guys, ang mahal naman ng kanilang ang mahal ng beef. Man. What? Alright. Huwag na muna tayo mag-beef. Mahal pa lang. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I know. Let's see if pork is cheaper. Buck roast. $13. And pork chop. We can have a value pack here. Alright, let's just get one. Probably we're gonna get this. Malaman. Pwede is pang spaghetti ba? Maybe we can do this. It's cheaper a little bit. Ito na lang, $5.79. Pwede na to pang spaghetti. Looking for mayonnaise. No, we're just gonna get this one. Maybe, you see?
What is that?
It's light mayonnaise, okay?
But isn't this supposed to be in the freezer?
No, it's the first. Okay, that's good. Do you want some crotons?
Crotons.
For the
What is crotons? It's
Alright, go. Alright, check first if there's a crack there. Watch out. Okay. Did you see any crack? Alright, just one. Let's go. It's good. Mahal naman, guys. Noon yan, $1.99. Ngayon, $2.99 na. Ang aking kargadora. Kayang-kaya niyang bukatin yung, yung isang buong case ng tubig eh. Alright, bread and then... But what I'm gonna put in your lunchbox then?
bread.
Exactly. Okay. Alright, over here, check. No bread. What about this one, Toltol? There's a raisin here. This one, look, but it doesn't look fresh to me though. Let's get a
Minecraft. Here's a Minecraft 2 for $5.
Oh, look at that! Isn't it
Can I
cute?
see? Can I get this one? Let's get one and this too.
No, Ata doesn't like that. She like buttermilk.
Yeah.
They're the same, two for $5. Okay.
Can we get the ice cream?
Okay. Hanap tayo ng popsicle, guys. Chocolate, because Arta doesn't...
Arthur doesn't like anything. Arthur will literally throw up if she sees any of them. Oh, can we get the Oreo? Because there's chocolate in it too.
That's only 5 pieces total.
Oh, that's tiny.
You just eat in one eating.
Exactly.
Alright, okay.
So the other
Alright, go ahead. Go get some flavors like that.
this one?
Yeah. So we can just
Actually,
have
no, I
this.
don't need no bar. I got it.
Okay. Oh, you like that better? You like that better?
Can we
Alright.
get these two?
Yeah, let's go.
Last one.
Okay guys, kadarating namin, grabe ang init. Para kang hindi makahinga pag pag sarado yung sakyan mo. tigok ka, sobrang init.
Also, guys,
Kakaumpisa pa lang uminit guys, mga 3 weeks pa lang. So kumakain sila pizza guys. So ito guys yung mga pinamili ko.
PS5, Nintendo.
So bumili ako ng romaine lettuce.
Only for $5.
Ito nga bananas.
Mom didn't want to because Mommy said that.
Bumili tayo mayonnaise kasi nga di ba ubos na yung mayonnaise natin. So like maliit lang siya. Bumili tayo ng apples.
I just like
Pangbaon
lemonade.
ng mga bata sa school.
One more.
Ito mango.
How much cheese
Masarap
did you
pang
have?
lagay sa burrito. Ano lang siya,
Already?
88 cents.
Then
Bawat isa.
you have to split the last
Bumili
one.
tayo ng
I
avocado.
might
Kapag piraso, mahal. Bumili tayo ng 1 tray eggs kasi wala na tayong eggs. Bumili nga ako ng ground beef. Pang
Wait,
pasta.
what?
Itong pork chop. Cheese na pang sandwich. Ayun ng ham. Pang sandwich. Tapos bumili ako pang baon ng mga bata. Why is this open now, Toltol? Did you open this?
No.
Huh? It's already open. Is it already open when we bought it?
It was kind of like already about to be open.
But it's not completely open.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, there should be 8 pieces of this. Rice Krispies.
But you know what?
Nakasale siya ng $1.99. So, 8 piraso yan. Bumili tayo ng Eggos na gusto ni Toltol yung ganyan. Oh! This is a pancake? Oh, this waffles. Ito, nakasale kasi sila. So, pang breakfast in the morning. Bumili tayo ng croutons. At saka itong favorite nila na churros. Bumili tayo nitong Mexico na popsicles, 12 pieces na maliliit siya. So meron siyang strawberry, coconut, mango. At saka itong outshine. Kaya lang mahal itong outshine. Dalawa kanina kinuha namin ito kaso lang. Sabi ko isa lang kasi mahal niya. So yung ganito itong tubig. Grabe, mahal ng tubig. 3 case yung binili ko kasi nakasale siya. Guys, ito yung sasabi kong napaka gulo. Itong dresser ni Tata ni Lala na sira na i-disassemble ko siya kasi hindi kukunin yan ng trash pag ganyang kalaki. Tapos yung mga flower pot ko na dapat yan sa gilid yan. So lilinisin ko yan guys. Ito, itatapon na namin to yung punching bag ni Toltol. Hindi ko lang alam kung iiwan pa. Tapos yung mga bike na yan, mga sira yan eh. So tatrash ko rin siya. Hindi ko alam kung makukuha yan ng tawag dito ng trash namin. So yan, ililinisin ko lahat to guys. So, nakalinis ko na guys. So, yung dresser dito na disassemble ko siya. Nilagay ko muna for the meantime dyan sa gilid kasi natawag dito, itatapon yan sa Martes kasi nilagay ko muna yung mga flower pots na bibilhan ko yan ng mga flowers pag nagka-oras ako. Guys, kakapasok ko lang grabe lakas ng ulan tapos ang kidlat pa. Hindi kidlat, ayun, lakas ng ulan. Ayan thunderstorm warning kami ngayon. Buti na lang natapos na. Ayan, may kidlat. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan pinagtatawanan niya ako kasi daw puro brown daw yung suot ko. Sabi niya, parang ecosystem ako. Sabi niya, sabi niya, I feel it. Sabi niya, ganun, parang ecosystem friend, like earth friendly daw yung suot ko. Sabi ko talaga, itong batang to, sabi ko, ganun, dinaanan naman ako sa joke niya. Anyway guys, kain na tayo, kain. Magluluto na ako guys ng broccoli soup. Grabe grabe lakas ng ulan, saka hangin, at saka yung kidlat saka kulog. Sabi ko baka mag-blackout ba, kaya pinag-charge ko na yung mga computer diyan sa table. Sabi ko just in case ba, maka-charge na rin itong cellphone ko kasi baka mamaya maubusan tayo ng battery ba. Alright guys, ito na yung ating broccoli, nilagyan ko siya ng chicken na parang grilled chicken para may lasa konti. So, i-blend na natin siya guys.